The herring are in the Charles River. Here we are in the Watertown Dam. As you can see, seagulls are hitting. If you look really closely, you'll see little cylindrical fish swimming around. Look closely. These are the blue herring. Now this is a good time to actually go down to where the Charles River meets the ocean. There's a little park there on the other side of the dam, not the river side, but the ocean side. And a lot of striped bass are going to be holed up there, knocking out the herring. So from here to there, get those big plugs out, try it out. What I'm going to try to do over the next week is hit up closer to the Boston Charles River side and to the ocean side of it, hopefully, and I can see this happening over there as well with the herring. I'm going to pull out some of the lures I got from my Uncle Jim, and also some of the new ones I got from Bass Pro Shops, do some reviews, do some testing, and hopefully catching some striped bass. Now, you know, you can only keep one striped bass a day, and it has to be between 28 inches and 35 inches. So remember that you do that before you start taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because you get all excited. Next thing you know, somebody finds you, you get in trouble. Get your one and have some fun. So I'm Dwight Norris of FishingNetwork.com. Now it's time to do some striper fishing.